Namaskar. So today we will be showing you how to ease or maybe eradicate the pain of this part of the knee. I'll show you again like that. This part of the there is a tendon and a muscle together which joins and connects the knee and the above muscles very nicely. So if this is kind of having a pain, it is really really bothersome. You cannot take a step unless you have this pain gone. So basically what is happening is these parts of the ligaments and or tendon and muscle all together. There is a knee is a very complex joint actually. So now all the problems of the leg starts with hip. Okay, and hips start with back muscles. If the back muscles are not holding the hips properly, then the subsequent muscle which connects to the thigh, all this, there is a IT band or right here, which is what needs to be taken care of first. So what we'll do is we'll start with a very simple exercise, and that is we'll let me see how that can be taken care of. Okay, no, not yet. Okay, now you can watch me do it. First you do this all the way, like you can make your hand fist like that and go all the way like that and do this. Okay. Now what this does is it actually works on that IT band here. This particular one, just right here. Below this bone protrusion here, there is a band here. So this is what it works on. So whenever you experience pain while walking somewhere, just do this, right? Do this, and hold it. Again, do this and hold it. Second exercise, raise your hand like that and do this. So which means it will work on this band. So if your right leg is having problem, do this way towards the left side. And of course, in yogasan, always do both the sides, never do one. Take this hand and keep going down like that below the knees, hopefully. And this one kind of stretches and makes work out of this IT band. Okay. Now, when you do this, basically you're basically positioning your hip properly. Okay. Then the second thing that I highly recommend you do is make your back muscles, these muscles, columnar muscles, just uh, by the sides of your vertebral columns. So do this and make sure that your hip is worked upon, right? Like that. When you'll feel the workout being done on your hip. Okay, do it 20 times. This will release your muscles, what we are going to be doing now. Okay, now that the third exercise this is the most important one that I'm going to share with you. If you have a roller like that, that is going to be very helpful. Let me put that video down here. Okay. Now, put your roller like that. And then what you do is lift your leg like that and count to 20. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Okay, so this is 20 seconds basically we have done. So what it does is basically it you can see this part of the knee getting pulled up. Now what you do is after having done this, spread it like that. Okay, and like this, right? Do the same thing on the side, right? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Again, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. 20 seconds. Now do this 5 rounds each, right? This one 5 rounds of 1000, like 20 seconds, right? 5000, like 5 rounds of 20. And this one also 5 rounds of 20. After that, relax. Okay, do that. That is what is going to do is, you know, have you ever jumped your knees like this? Look at that. Yeah. Whenever you are standing somewhere, just jump it. Jump your knees like that. Knee jumping. I'll show you again closer. Right? Look at that. So this what it does, it works, it gets the exercise of these muscles. Whenever you are tired, standing for a long period, best thing is to do this. Okay? Okay, good. Now, after having done this, this is another one which you will definitely benefit more out of is this one. Okay. Right. Lie down like that. Okay. Lift one of your leg up and twist it at the hip. Don't twist it here. No, don't twist it at your ankles also. Raise the leg, twist it at your hip and go all the way like that. And up and down, up and down, up and down. 5 times and then bring it back, twist it like that, relax. Next leg. Raise the leg up, not too much, just enough above the ground. And twist your leg like that from your hip actually. This joint has to be worked upon. And then you turn like that and then do this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So this works on this particular IT band. This whole muscle is so fantastic. It actually is the major muscle holding your knee from this side. Okay. So do this 5 times, do this time 5 times. Up, twist, sideways, up and down, up and down, up and down. 5 times. Again. Got it? So you do this, you'll feel really benefited. You'll feel really benefited with these movements. Let me tell you sincerely. Okay. And then what is the next one? I was, yes. If you happen to have a belt like this, right? You have a belt like that, it is very beneficial to do this. Let's say you have a pain on your left leg. You do that, pull it towards you like that. Very good. So it is actually working on these muscles right now. This muscle and all this muscle, right? Pull it towards you like that, straight leg, and then twist it very gently. Twist it very gently and pull it, place it on the right side of your body like that, without shifting your shoulders. So what it will do is it will work on all the back muscles, hip, and all these guys really well. Again, bring it back. In yogasana, as I told you, you have to do the opposite also. This one, like this, right? So what it does, it works on these muscles. So this muscle and this muscle hold the knee tightly, nicely. So if these are strong, then this will be working out. So these are the exercises for both sides. Okay. And then what you do, obviously you have to do the other leg also. Doesn't matter whether you have pain, it does have a pain or not. Go like that. Like this, and very slowly bring it like that. Right? Again this side is very important. Okay. Do this 5 times each. 5 times left leg, 5 times right leg, both sides. Okay. You will feel really benefited from this. Now, there is another yogasana which is, I am telling you, the last, towards the last, like second last, I would say, which is Kapotasana, which is a pigeon pose, they call it. I'll show you. So lift your leg, left leg like that, and place the right leg on your knee, on the left knee, and then what you do is take get your hand inside like that, and then you rock it like that. Okay, 20 times rocking. And then other leg also same thing, 20 times rocking. Okay, so do this. It basically, when you are doing this, it is actually working on these tendons and muscles and IT band, the entire thing. It is working on that. So once you do those things, you will be you will feel so good that you feel like running after that. Okay. And of course, uh, I would, that is the last one I always suggest, that one should always do this to make the entire thigh muscles strong. How do you do that? Let me show you. Okay. Go to the wall like that and make a chair. Make a chair like that and stay there like that. These muscles are the ones which will get worked upon so beautifully. You have no idea, right? Stay there for a while. Count 30 seconds. Okay? Count 30 seconds. If you cannot do 30, do 20. If you cannot do 20, do 10. But do it. This is fantastic. And what it will do is it will help you build leg muscles so much. All the muscles are tight right now. This especially the thigh muscles. If you work on these, you can walk, run, do whatever. Okay. After that, get up. take rest. Again do. So do 3 times after everything done, right? So this is good. So you can this will, I'm telling you, within 3 days you will be fine. That is guarantee. Okay. Thank you so much.